Small businesses are the backbone of local economies, providing essential services and contributing to community vitality. This script explores 7 indispensable small business ideas that are crucial for the growth and sustainability of every town, offering entrepreneurs opportunities to meet local demands and foster a sense of community. 1. Local grocery store. A local grocery store is essential for providing convenient access to fresh produce, groceries, and household essentials within the community. Unlike large chain supermarkets, a neighborhood grocery store can personalize its offerings to cater to the specific tastes and preferences of local residents. By sourcing products locally and supporting regional farmers and suppliers, a small-scale grocery store not only promotes economic sustainability but also enhances food security and reduces environmental impact. With a focus on quality, affordability, and customer service, a local grocery store becomes a trusted cornerstone of daily life for residents. 2. Cozy cafe or bakery. A cozy cafe or bakery serves as more than just a place to enjoy coffee and pastries, it fosters social interaction and community engagement. By offering freshly brewed coffee, homemade baked goods, and a welcoming atmosphere, a local cafe or bakery creates a gathering spot where neighbors can relax, connect, and unwind. Beyond food and beverages, these establishments often host community events, such as open mic nights, art exhibits, and book readings, enriching the cultural fabric of the town. With a commitment to quality ingredients, artisanal craftsmanship, and personalized service, a small cafe or bakery becomes a cherished destination that reflects the unique charm and hospitality of the community. 3. Neighborhood fitness studio. A neighborhood fitness studio plays a vital role in promoting health and wellness among residents of all ages and fitness levels. By offering a variety of fitness classes, personal training sessions, and wellness programs, a local studio supports physical fitness goals while nurturing a sense of community spirit. Beyond exercise, these studios often serve as social hubs where participants forge friendships, share fitness achievements, and motivate one another. With knowledgeable instructors, state-of-the-art equipment, and a welcoming environment, a small fitness studio empowers individuals to prioritize their well-being and live healthier, more active lifestyles. 4. Pet grooming and boarding service. A pet grooming and boarding service provides essential care and companionship for furry family members within the community. By offering grooming services, daycare options, and overnight boarding facilities, these businesses ensure that pets receive personalized attention and comfort in a safe environment. Beyond basic grooming, they may provide specialized services such as pet massage, dental care, and nutritional counseling, catering to the specific needs of each animal. With a commitment to animal welfare, customer satisfaction, and community involvement, a small pet grooming and boarding service fosters trust among pet owners and enhances the overall quality of life for pets and their families. 5. Home repair and maintenance services. Home repair and maintenance services are indispensable for homeowners seeking reliable assistance with household upkeep and improvement projects. From plumbing repairs and electrical installations to landscaping and general handyman services, these businesses offer expertise, convenience, and peace of mind to residents. By delivering prompt, professional service and using quality materials, local home repair providers help homeowners maintain the value and integrity of their properties. With a focus on customer satisfaction, transparent pricing, and efficient problem solving, a small home repair business becomes a trusted partner in keeping homes safe, functional, and well maintained. 6. Family-owned restaurant. A family-owned restaurant enriches the town's culinary landscape by offering delicious meals made from locally sourced ingredients and recipes passed down through generations. Whether it's a cozy diner, ethnic cuisine eatery, or farm-to-table restaurant, these establishments provide a taste of regional flavors and hospitality. Beyond dining, they create memorable experiences for patrons through attentive service, cozy ambience, and community-focused initiatives. By supporting local farmers, suppliers, and culinary traditions, a small restaurant not only satisfies appetites but also preserves cultural heritage and promotes sustainable dining practices. With a commitment to culinary excellence, creativity, and customer satisfaction, A family-owned restaurant becomes a beloved dining destination that reflects the town's unique identity and flavors. Local grocery store. A local grocery store serves as a cornerstone of community life by providing access to fresh produce, pantry staples, and everyday essentials. Unlike large chain supermarkets, a neighborhood grocery store can tailor its offerings to meet the specific tastes and preferences of local residents. By supporting local farmers and suppliers, a small-scale grocery store not only ensures food security but also strengthens the local economy and promotes sustainable practices. 2. Cozy cafe or bakery. A cozy cafe or bakery creates a welcoming environment where residents can gather, socialize, and enjoy freshly brewed coffee and artisanal baked goods. Beyond serving as a culinary destination, a local cafe or bakery contributes to the town's cultural fabric by hosting community events, art exhibitions, and live performances. By emphasizing quality ingredients and personalized service, a small cafe or bakery can cultivate a loyal customer base and become a cherished gathering place for locals and visitors alike. 3. Neighborhood fitness studio. A neighborhood fitness studio plays a crucial role in promoting health and wellness within the community. By offering a variety of fitness classes such as yoga, Pilates, and strength training, a local studio caters to residents of all ages and fitness levels. Beyond physical exercise, a fitness studio fosters social connections and encourages a sense of camaraderie among participants. With a focus on personalized training programs and expert instruction, a small fitness studio helps residents achieve their health goals and maintain an active lifestyle. 4. Pet grooming and boarding service. A pet grooming and boarding service meets the growing demand for quality care and companionship for pets within the community. By providing grooming services, daycare facilities, and overnight boarding options, a local pet service ensures that pets receive attentive care in a safe and nurturing environment. With a commitment to animal welfare and customer satisfaction, a small pet grooming business can build trust and loyalty among pet owners, contributing to the overall well-being of furry family members and fostering a pet-friendly community. 5. Home repair and maintenance services. Home repair and maintenance services are essential for homeowners seeking reliable assistance with household repairs, renovations, and maintenance tasks. Whether it's plumbing repairs, electrical installations, or landscaping services, a local home maintenance provider offers expertise and convenience to residents. By delivering prompt and professional service, a small-scale home repair business enhances property values, improves living conditions, and supports homeowners in maintaining their investments over time. 6. Family-owned restaurant. A family-owned restaurant adds flavor and diversity to the town's culinary